Hello, it's Jaina here. I have this beautiful green bowl. It inspired me to decorate with these artificial flowers. So today I will show you how to arrange artificial flowers in a bowl. First, I take the grey flour foam and press the bowl onto the foam, so I know how much foam I need to cut. I put grocery bag under the foam because the cutting makes a big mess. I talked about the types of foams, green and grey, in the Christmas Advent wreath video. And I'm giving you a link to the video above and in the description box below. I try to see if the foam in the bowl does not get in the way, and if so, I will cut more. Finally, the foam fits perfectly in the bowl and I can decorate the flowers. You can stick the foam to the bowl with a hot glue gun if you want. I started with a large flower that will be in the center of the decoration. The stems need to be cut with pliers. Really don't cut them with scissors or garden shears. They could be damaged because there is a wire in the center of the stem. I will place the flowers gradually so that they form approximately a hemisphere. So first flower will be the highest. Now I will use these roses. They have a soft plastic cover on the stem. I'm going to put it down at the end of the stem to make it easier to insert into the foam. It will be better if I put the cover down directly under the flower head. Oh, no problem. I'll return it right away. Artificial flowers are often assembled from parts. The advantage is that they can be arranged in different ways. I placed the roses a little lower than the flower in the center to create a hemisphere. I really like these roses, but I'll only give 4, so it's not too much. Then they wouldn't entertain me anymore. I want to make a symmetrical composition. And now the hydrangeas. I will stick them between the roses. They fill the space nicely and are not dominant, so the flowers do not overwhelm each other. I have to loosen the stems to work with them. So I stick the stems around between the roses. The arrangement is still not finished, but we can already see how it will look. And now I will stick these flowers to the lowest level. And I will fill the space with them so that the grey foam is not visible even from the side. I'll check around the whole bowl. I add green sprigs for variety. Since we have flowers of a soft color, the sprigs must also be a soft green, not a sharp or dark color. You can even see pink in these sprigs, so they will complement flowers very well. Now I will look at it from a distance and evaluate what else needs to be done. Something can be added or changed. I decided to add some soft green leaves. This arrangement could also be used for wedding decorations. In the background, you can see a spring wreath. I used the same flowers as for the bowl. If you like it, check it out. I'm giving you a link to the video above and in the description box below. Thanks for joining me and have a wonderful day. Bye bye!